Part 2, virus. I've invited 3 young women physicians to dinner at my house. I met them at a retreat. We liked each other, and they wanted to come to dinner. I've cooked dal lentils with cumin and cinnamon and mustard seeds and garlic, ginger, and the aroma of the dal is sort of wafting through the house as they walk in. And I'm making rice with this special spice that I found at the Mid-Eastern store that has rose petals in it. And that too, there's just that little hint of rose wafting through the house. The dogs bark madly as the young women arrive. Alyssa has this long blonde hair, and she's always very stylish, and she's very smart. They're all very smart. And another of them is wearing this long blue dress with little white flowers on it and bright red lipstick. And she has dark ringleted hair. And another one is very sort of athletic. She has glasses on, and she's wearing not a tracksuit, but she looks like she was wearing a track shoes. That kind of, I'm going to go do a race right now. Alyssa looks at me and she says, "Do you know how a virus works?" And I don't. I have no idea. I'm surprised that I have no idea that I have no idea how a virus works. I have no idea. I had no idea that I have no idea until she asked me if I knew, and I didn't know. And she rises from the kalim and she tells me that a normal cell has a smooth cell wall that's somewhat impenetrable in order to protect the interior of the cell. A virus, on the other hand, has these little protuberances on the edge of the cell wall that allow it to dock onto the wall of a healthy cell. It clings a hold, stabilizes itself, and then ejects a blade-like object that punctures the smooth cell wall of the healthy, normal cell. And then the virus lowers itself, but first, she said, into the healthy cell. The virus has no way to replicate itself. So it takes over, it hijacks the replicating mechanism of the healthy cell, the DNA replicating mechanism, and starts to replicate itself, making more and more and more of itself, little ones, little tiny ones that start to fill the wall of the healthy cell until it becomes so full that it bursts. And the little viruses then are set loose inside of your system, where each of them docks onto another cell, punctures, lowers, replicate, burst all over your body until it finds the healthy cell walls, grabs a hold, punctures, lowers itself, replicate, burst. Even though viruses are very detrimental to the human body, there was something kind of uplifting about the story, kind of miracle of these life forms. When I've looked at pictures of the coronavirus, there's this cell, and the way they do the photograph, the corona part is a luminous circumference, little crown-like parts. And that's why they've named it Corona. It's as if we've endowed it with this quality of royalty.